Why? There's nobody saying a word. Yes, no audio. Did not plug. Okay, so all the moderation again. Welcome everyone to another Break Fast and the Furious. We need to update again and have breakfast together. Yes, no, we plugged it. Said, let's have breakfast together. I'm hungry to fix updates. Yeah, everything, every pixel you need to. The most up-to-date distro is NixOS, probably not. And if you continue spreading such things here, then I will need to, if you spread here NixOS advertisements, you will be lifetime banned. Something is strange. Something has a stuck modifier. This is why this. Not sure what's going on here. This is Bluetooth shit. Here, Nix 8822 is even 90. It's like you with your fake news about this fake NixOS. Nothing good ever came out of NixOS. Yeah, this 90 is even vastly wrong because of Apology. I mean, maybe this here is also somewhat wrong because Apology is counting so strange, but even with counting vastly biased, we are more up to date than NixOS. You can go spread your NixOS fake news on Foronix wannabe news. So then update things in the morning. Quite some updates. Something updates. The question is, maybe we should take a plate. Which release is this? Because here is so much to commit. No, your fake news like Nix happens because just Foronix hates on T2 Linux and we get no news. Like if we would get just a tiny amount of news, people would also know that T2 is the most up-to-date Linux distribution. So, coffee. What means VTO? How hard is it to get fired on your fired? What does VTO stand for? Voyages? Do I even need to Google it? Fired on your... I don't have vacation time off. Do I not sit and work here? You guys are funny. What do you mean with fired? Fired off of my job? I don't understand this question. Well, given I'm my own CEO, it's pretty hard to fire myself. And our exact code sales are 117% up, so pretty good month. Thanks to Apple breaking macOS. With what was look, I don't like Exact scan sales so much up. I don't even need to back for donations. Should sometimes have been yelling. Wait, or well, better what? Yelling about yield. And then you plus. I only care. I don't care about look. Oh, that's commented. Why is this commented? Okay, YOLO, I just wanted. Okay, YOLO. That build, right? We don't do crypto here. So things. This is just our automated stuff in the morning, like our own things. Oops. Crumbs on my desk. What other thing build? XDGR proto XDG pro portal things. What's with input plumber? And what does that do? Oh, I'm curious. Sometimes we need to learn what those packages even do. Input router, control and number input gamepad micing. What the heck? Where did we even get this from and for what? Stuff exists that I didn't know existed. Do you want to take a break too? What do you mean two? Two of what? A break of what? Okay, this cross thing once failed. What means SF should this has to be? Corpo public GitHub? What do you even talk about? Spitzes. Did data not just do that? Working 24/7? Exactly. You don't build a Linux distribution without working 24/7 for free. Okay, some random stuff does not build unordered containers. Man, this cardboard keyboard not amazing. Why do I travel with that, man? What did this thing do? That doesn't. Bonjour. Incomplete. Why? If you want to disable zeroconf, unable to find Avahi. But something is installed. Needs to be analyzed by someone who has a mode for that. Have a nice weekend too. So, coffee time, breakfast time. Maybe this Avahi needs, this Avahi is also strangely unmaintained. If someone needs it, please send a pitch. Yeah, views are a little bit down. I'm not sure if that is because of our low quality content. Probably should breakfast with Tiffany in more style. Oh, why does this take so long? Probably data just updated this, huh? At least we got a cache file out of it. So now the updates. So that now the annoying parts. Not totally thrilled about that. But I ask multiple times that you do your homework. Nobody did. So Rapology, our best friends. Each time I sleep, I'll go out in the sunshine. Although I wonder if maybe that is also because of our delayed GitHub update. But so let's real updates. The graphs are... So Best watch now and repeat after me at home. Do such updates. I guess we just start here. The question is, oh, this doesn't even match. Wonderful. So any one of you could help me and do that at home. This anti-word probably, okay, this we have just done. Ruby doesn't download. This is also shitty shit here, man. I mean, yeah, here's some release candidate stuff of Max. This is otherwise also so abundant. This is ridiculous. Okay, anti-word. What's going on with? Maybe we first should do real updates. It's probably way faster. Oh, that's already on archive. Okay, anti-word. What is the other anti-word? I'm on it, probably right. I so hate this. This is such a waste of time. This is unfriendly people here. Hello. This is not what I wanted. Where was it? The main thing. Was it here? Maybe that's not the right one. Do they have like an apology without RS? Look, wait, this is to update her? What? (2025) remove subversion report. Damn, how should I really find that? Shit, how should I ever find that again? Oh, 2019, they actually knew so. strange mix of fresh and extremely ancient software. Yeah, 2009 was precisely, I mean, but the core stuff was up to date, but the other thing is, question there, when you use T2 Linux, are the package sources? So we have some official mirror that's currently not the super most up to date. So it's our mirrors, our official, yeah, maybe rules. I've seen these rules. So it's from our mirrors to cache it for you. But sometimes, of course, either new or old or whatnot from original source. Maybe I felt it in rules because, oh, here is even, oh, you filed this? Interesting. Interesting find. That's bizarre. Okay, I guess I wait. Then I thought, okay, I forgot that. Or yeah, you mentioned you go file something. I mean, the only thing is, no, I could reopen my thing here. Oops. Why did I close it? Recently closed things. Oh wait, this is not the way this works in Firefox. I need to go here and then reverse around and then back. Can we like reopen? Is it not possible to reopen? How long was it? March? January, February, March, April, May, June, 3 months already. What mess? Ah, here's reopen. what was the name? Amanin, right? Amanis. Ach, cannot have a normal paste here. Oh, damn it! One of the web things. I mean, yeah, I could have put a link, but yeah. Is anti-word even dead? I mean, I guess do we need this? This word reader. I mean, probably pretty. I mean, do we need this? Not really, right? I mean, this amendment is nicer for historic fake, but I mean, with these things, should we just delete? Or is this of any value for anyone? But we have this, that's only the tip of the iceberg. What was it? Anti-words is downloaded. This is only the tip of the iceberg. We have here 500 more. We have 500 more of these. Maybe we should first try to do real updates. So like, what's with this Blues firmware? I'm not even sure if that's still needed. Oh, is this here also? What's the problem with that thing though? The question is, I mean, sometimes I verified that it's not Linux firmware and some wasn't. Could also delete this. Oh, that's full 4. That whole thing is full 4. Once I checked and there was stuff inside that wasn't elsewhere. Oh look, this Gobo Linux also has that still. And that's for 04, Gobo Linux 2. Yay. Do we have this on some mirror? We need to use mine though. And it did use mine. It's not on our mirror. Yeah, I said this, thank you, Karuga. I said this months ago. I said it's at least, I understand. So I think the main thing is for him to automatically detect bad update versions that do not exist. He changed like 3 months ago, he changed which as it is even a relatively valid thing to make sure the downloads exist. However, the problem is that Fedora and others, like Fedora Rawhide, they sometimes ship release candidates as final version, and he does not even catch them because the download exists, right? So what it has done is like it disqualified repositories like T2 with 500 of vintage packages that had downloaded them once or now deleted websites. But also I would say he should only at most, well, I understand checking that the downloads exist, but it's also a little bit pointless, right? Because downloads often go away. They shouldn't, but they do. So you look, even they have this 19 years old things, blues 19 years thing. Here's some e-build things of. The question is, do we need this? Is there anything of value ever? Raspberry Pi thing? Broadcom thing? Some Bluetooth chips? Is this like the same or is it something else? 8 years ago? That is bizarre shit, man. Yeah, here are BCM things. BCM stuff. Oh, my typing. Oh, come on. Okay, now I've seen the latency. That's yeah, I don't know. The last time I checked, I didn't find that somewhere else. So, I mean, you know what we could do? We could switch that to our favorably beloved archive org, although that currently doesn't help anything except as downloaded. Yeah. Let's see if we can get that from archive.org. When would only recently deleted? I have no idea. What is this archives? A bit slowish, man. Come on. Like, does a tape robot pull a tape out of the? What's happening here? Here's firmware. Blues firmware also figures? The question is, what did I click here or there? Probably clicked here. Yeah. I mean, maybe it's deprecated, so maybe delete. You like old, so you say antivert is. Yeah, maybe the useful stuff is in Linux firmware, or this is some old stuff that nobody's using anymore. I have no idea. Doesn't really help us with the repology mislistings here though, but yeah, Blitz theoretically, I just don't know what this stuff is. So this Cairo clock was actually similar. I mean, we could tackle that now. I had Googled this a year ago already, Cairo. I checked, I nearly deleted this a year ago. I mean, do we need this? No. But it still built and worked, at least when I think it did when I tested it a year ago. Does it select? Does it not select? Can we here? I mean, in a way, I mean, T2 is not the only Linux distribution, right? It's anti-alias sample clock. I mean, in a way, having, I mean, is it? It's not mission critical. That's a 404. Wonderful. It's not mission critical, but like for historic sake, when Xorg became transparent, oh cool, all this stuff is 404. Why does this stuff 404? It's like hilarious. That's hilarious. Why do they archive 404s? Okay, whatever. I mean, honestly, maybe just delete, man. Your catch, that's a normal update. What catch 2? 315. Memorize this version slightly wrong. So now I would need more coffee. What I do not quite understand, why not some T2 users make it their hobby to do some in the evening. Wait, what? 232, 232. Wait, did we do this? Ah, maybe this didn't. Maybe we just did this today. Just 2 minutes ago, didn't refresh it. This did build and we didn't commit it. Really even real. System D, yes, that's real. I thought it changed a little. I was aware that there was cache inside. Yeah, I can tell you one. I was like, this is here slightly. I have a scanner behind me. Let's take the scanner away. Here, highly portable document scanner. Perfectly scanned. Where's exit scan? Don't delay. It's a little bit dusty. Let's hope it didn't fall down with my son. Of course, this is a nice scanner. Not a paid advertisement. Why is this a little bit scratched or dusty? Because like this, I can move my laptop screen a little bit further back there for more. So, then, things. This time without cache, I saw 2 lines are okay, but probably they weren't. So, actually, I think yeah, it's usually 0 somewhere. That was not ideal. Shit. Where did I? I did something stupid. Ah, shit, I thought I'm clever. Still running, right? I started Tmax and Tmax. I mean, yes, I was. That's usually why I usually try to avoid this. So at once I'm clever. Yeah. Pro tip: don't start Tmax and Tmax. I'm not even sure what happened here. Why is this jiggling around? Or maybe because it's okay, fine, maybe it was all it was. It was the wrong VM anyway. So career IMAP, yeah. So this, I mean, maybe, but patch welcome. 2010-106. That's probably some. Yeah, going through all things. That's why I avoided this the last month. I totally don't want to really do it. It's it's SourceForge, regex. I mean, and these. That's probably also delete verse. Probably no person is even using that here. I mean, it's a decade not updated, right? Such old crap. I mean, maybe delete. I mean, it probably makes like 0 sense to keep 20-year-old unmaintained crap around, is it? Testing from 2004. I think this stuff can go now. You probably would not want to run 22-year-old testing stuff in production anyway. Not like a did I mistype that? Ah, YOLO. It's not like a 486 worth keeping around. What else do we have? In Crossroads, similar thing, same version. I mean, here we just don't ship the latest version because it wasn't. I mean, maybe we could check what 18 does, but the previous versions they switched to some other license. Not really sure why that is. There's E3 one. If you run it in production, you probably know how to build it. Oh, that does not even download. Did we have been there yesterday? Oh. Man, you cannot make this up, man. This is this modern shit. Some YOLO stock photo instead of a screenshot of a bloody editor. Nice find. It's a 20-year-old editor thing. Written in assembler text editor. Where is the download? Ports thing. Where is the original source here? www.de. Not found. Also not found on FreeBSD. GNU GUIX. Here is Gentoo E3. Oh, but gateway, modern internet. I mean, the modern internet is such a cluster. It's a serial fail. It's ridiculous. Gateway. Come on, you can do it. Boy, this modern internet is such a slow piece of shit, man. This is like a V90 modem emulator. Can we like... Oh, man. Codeberg E3, thank you. So how is modern internet so bloody slow? Ah, here. Now we found it. Indeed, there is a version from last month. Yay. Surprisingly tricky to find in this modern internet. So maybe ARM. It's written in assembler, but I think they had some x86 to ARM trans or Gentoo. Wait, what? So some Gentoo people took it over and forked it, or what? No, that's not Gentoo. What did I copy there? Google Code Nano, Google side things. Did I not? How often should I click here? Did I not click there? The question is, okay, let's not make man, some of this keyboard, I'm not happy. The question is, do they have ARM64. You sent the wrong link? You sent the wrong link. Oh, did I only realize? Yeah, thank you for trying to help. Look, Mom, E3 editor build. Why is this left stuff getting in? Man, this keyboard ain't great. What do I have against Apple? Shit keyboards. The only reason I use this because it's a slim Bluetooth thing. Let's try to build it on ARM64. So I think I remember from 20 years ago they had some x86 to ARM translator, I kid you not. I don't know if they have any other things by now. So how this worked is, as far as I remember, they just added basically some one-to-one mapping of x86 to ARM, or like one to many. It's like some 1 to n. High format error. That's Intel i386. That's obviously not ideal. ARM using WordStar key bindings built for ARM. ARM Linux. There's GNU-C written things, ARM Linux things of building for ARM. Simply make ARM Linux on your x86 box. Did they delete this again? They have AMD 64. Did they delete this? Remove ARM Linux, Elix and others. Native strong code for GNU. The ARM produced by control defined. ARM binary thanks to T2 plus ARM things. Let me read me. Albrecht Kleiner. Remove ARM Linux, Elix and others. I guess removed. I mean, in a way, it's extremely silly. ARM CPU. Initial assembler version of ARM CPU GNU-AS. Not sure what random shit they've done here. It looks half removed or mostly removed, I don't know. And we could check if the Gentoo ebuild has any ARM thing. Well, they are still on Google side things on this Okay, they have only AMD 64 and x86 anyway. They install the binary directly. Ah, they only have AMD 64, not ARM. Good that we tested this. Also accidentally looked out. So I guess that's gone. Mask. Yellow. Yellow. Good that we wasted our time with it. L was tiny. Maybe they... Also, like, theoretically, we really shouldn't kind of not have a editor written in assembly. That's also pretty... Oh, we have this from Debian and that went away. Shrinked hours. You know, honestly, I'm kinda inclined, like, should we just nuke that? Here is Thai Elphys, but it's something else right here at the bottom things. Honestly, this Debian only things I'm not sure you all. Maybe just delete. I mean, this special, like, maybe there was a place for that 20 years ago. And here's some org thing. Could probably update to that here. Wait, what? Why did this not bloody copy? I'm getting really increasingly frustrated with this violent copy and paste shit. Like, this is the least working shit like bloody ever. How copy and paste can be such a failure in this day and age, I don't understand. But that is not a diff, that is a Debian shit on top of it. You know what, this is not worth my time. Like, if you use this editor, send a patch. Like this other distribution special edition packages, like there goes that. Sorry. That's what Repology does to us. Okay, here's actually some version. Whatever the heck that is. Made desktop. Cool. And where is it coming from? What random strange malware site is that? What do we have here? 3. Caesar.3. I mean, that people don't release proper and all this random stuff is absolutely annoying. This is available upstream is probably a Repology thing. It just gets this from Repology because, or maybe GitHub. Maybe it's GitHub only. Can load faster. Why is stuff loading? Ah, here, GitHub. It's nearly nowhere except here. May 4's be with you. Yeah, Google, and then you wonder why I sometimes query ChatGPT. Literally hallucinating better than Google most of the time. Ngram per 128 tags. Quite some made stuff. It's probably fine. Maybe I should not have suspended it. So where are we? Time a little bit more up to date already. Yeah, like this is a little bit slow. That is also a potential real. Oh, that is also. Image viewer. Yeah, I don't know what's up with some stuff on Git only instead of really things. Yo, welcome. Closer to mainlines and Fedora. Probably T2 is pretty generic, but patched and restored where necessary. Or do you mean up to date? It depends what you mean. Man, is this some modifier key stuck again? Yo, welcome first time chatter. T2 is probably more up to date and less patched, and only patched, like less patched where it doesn't matter, and more patched where it matters. like restoring virtual console scrollback and stuff. Yeah, I've seen this maybe. Yeah, I'm not even sure if this was to find there, but I'm not really sure what's with that thing here. Ether. Actually, I changed to. Wait, is this not? Is this not downloading our own thing? Is this not like a valid download? Oh, maybe it isn't. Maybe I moved that. Where could I have moved that here? Here. 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 I moved this a little bit because this name was meh. Yeah, my own software 25 years ago when we started a recording studio and then ended up doing Linux. Oops, shit. Yeah, we should have done a recording studio, man. That would have been so much more fun. I mean, given that this generally there is not a reason we disable that by default. It's not the most amazing software thing here, but I mean, we recorded 2 CDs. We produced 2 compact discs with the 004. Also, yeah, but it's 25 years later. That's just of pure historic value. Yes, hey there. Saw that greeted you already. So view code in T2. Oh, that still doesn't download. Why not? Oh, we don't. Why? Oh, GSMP006. Why do we not have GSMP006 inside there? How did I lose that? I answered family oran. I answered this already. I hope so, that it's more, you mean up to date? More up to date than Fedora? Probably. Yeah, the download is still missing there. I'm not sure what's up with 006. Need to find it somewhere. Bye. Why do you say bye? Why are you so shortly here? I don't know why I maybe did not bother putting this on our server. Maybe this was a T2 only release. Welcome there. Hello. Yeah, here are some things. Firewalk. Yeah, that is here, like, this will literally take a whole work week, right? I will not do all of those today. But it's also a traceroute determine gateway ACL features in map networks. That sounds nice. 2 more subs to go, by the way, right? It's even Kali Linux tool thing. Firewalk homepage. Is that still 5.0? There is some Packet Factory open. Packet Factory, yes. Did they just change that? Oh, Firewalk dist. That sucks. Complete distribution dist. Complete rewrite and is smarter. I mean, let's hope they have this download there. No, damn it. modified. Can make this shit up, man. 506. Debian tags. Sounds like Debian took that over a bit. Yeah, with nobody paying for open source, it's no wonder that people abandon their projects. Where is a bloody download in this port expired? There is some 5 version. I'm not a fan of this packaging things. Don't delay, just use D2 Linux. Why is this so unreadable? Subversion? Look, they also have subversion. Yeah, surprisingly meh. I mean, we could. It's a little bit hacky. I think. What did they have there? I think they had that here, right? Without version. Could translate this. 404. Damn it. Was it not that? It says downloaded something. Does this index? Forbidden. Wonderful. Yeah. It's not pretty. What should I do? Ain't pretty, but probably does its job. Yeah, this I've seen, that's way newer, no, that needs more review. I don't have really time for that. There's also getmail 6 of 620. Wait, this is somehow what's what? Wait, ghost. Oh, there's really some newer. Oh, 620. What did I do? I probably should go get some coffee. Yeah, this is such a time-consuming shit. Like, that's what people don't understand, right? Sure, we get the software for free. Oh, this is with 2 zeros. Oh, damn, you can't make this version numbering shit up, man. I mean, sure, it's just like 1 minute here, 1 minute here, but at the end of the year, it's like 1,000 hours a year. And every small thing is just annoying. Oh, there's something here, something. Ghost script is also yeah, just like this, you all could do that, right? Identical, nothing to patch. Don't delay. Send some updates my way. It didn't even download. Oh, because it says some stupid. Oh, I hate this. Man, what a waste of time. I don't know, oops, like that. So we probably should check if that is still needed. Just like this. Yeah, with FNVIDIA, I've used only a percentage of my code. I mean, I did, initially it was of course Claire's code, then eventually I did 50% of the work, then I did 90% of the work, and now I do, not counting data, I mean data does the updates, but that's, the code is of course upstream, so I'm aware that we are mostly only packaging that, but certainly my contribution is on the larger side of all the T2, making T2 Linux build contributions. Yeah, I mean, so this was a Flash implementation, wasn't it? Well, there's also, our GMOC here is just some old shit. We could basically delete, I guess. So it's probably unusable, I guess. (2018) since SF edit main page is, maybe here is something. The website is still there, not they would have done something in like 6 years. Little improvements 8 years ago. Do we get here? Okay, this only marked the book thing probably disappeared. Yeah, so much to, let's move it to some private Uni website where it's gone now. Amazing. Here's GOCR. Do we have that? Oh, that's not here. Oh, Uni mark. Packages not always up to date. Let's please. No, it's not here. Ach, damn it. Man, which version was it? Oops. You know what? We here maybe archive to the rescue again. Comment on our Discord. Print managing printers still errors around. Meanwhile, our doctor porting Rust to Itanium. So 2014, do we have a download? Why does this R20 we don't have? Come on, faster. I have the suspicion this stuff is so slow because either hard drives need to spin up, or I even heard they have a tape robot. I wonder how often some tape robot needs to drive out of there. Is this on archive? Is this here? Again, we don't really need this. It's more preserving history, right? Like this is not too garbage. This is like at this rate. Oh, damn it, man! Come on. Oh wait, I copied this wrong. Preserving history here, live on T2. Does it install? Elephant and blue eyes. I don't take Elon Musk's drugs. I only see orange clowns jumping around and falling asleep in a white hole. I want to see progress. Also like this, actually this logo is actually pretty decent. Like this, I surely get over the most important metric, contribution things. 7,000 contributions when. Although here some turret stuff. Oh, that will be hard to beat. Okay, we have here some high. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 7,000. Not so easy to maintain. Here, inching closer and closer. Hear me out. What if we delete everything listed by Repology as not up to date, and if someone wants to use it, they need to send a patch? How about that? Let's spur stuff. Probably doesn't download. Please, what you? Please me, please what? Want to delete it? What do you want? What do you want from me? Okay, here's some. Is this even? Okay, they probably have this under some other name or whatever. What is going on with all those queries? What? GitHub profile? I don't know what you want from me. You write so strange. You want a link to my profile for reasons? This. Yep, exactly. We can add the open source. I shall just oh, that somehow what's with this thing? It's fully downloaded. Why did we not commit this? Okay, maybe Valor option dependency. even with all my enthusiasm for my work, I even forgot to add here goals. This probably wants optional valor. What was the other thing? Glib thing here. It's also downloaded. I don't know why. Yeah, we should debug this. Why not? I have also no idea why not. What's going on here? Pigments. Okay, YOLO, untested. Yeah, next we should debug why data. I mean, it could be a rate limited. I'm aware that data, even with our GitHub auth token, or the auth token expires, we still get rate limited over things. So untested, probably fine. I'm not sure what. Do we have a pigments update here? This didn't. Python hosted shit. Oh, damn it. Yeah, this sucks. We need to improve data. Like, data would need to scan the website and copy the whole links. This is complete garbage. Boy, do I hate this. Because this bloody website, as you see, generates here random hashes, or like not random, like hashes. And then, like, as you see, the bloody download is like package hash shit. Like, so we would need to improve data to peel the bloody download out of it. You cannot make this shit up. Oh, thank you for subscription. That is amazing. How many are we? Only one more, 250 subs. That is amazing for this hype train to go choo-choo. Yeah, this here is such a fail. Like, why do open source people do that? I don't understand. Like, this is hilarious. Let's hope that doesn't break anything. So unfortunately, I don't have coffee slaves here. I guess I go myself make a coffee, as we do not support child work and slavery. Although I probably should teach my child to make coffee. So here goes that. Actually, this was the only reason why this thing failed. Let's see if, wasn't that pigment? Oh yeah, this was stuck on pigment. But of course, I believe that I've let the stream running for like 10 minutes of, I need to go downstairs and clean this Italian mocha pot thing on here. So this takes some 10 minutes of going down, up, and here. So delete the untested because it's tested now. Here, geniuses, test this after the commit. Next, I said this, I know I said this 100 times, but next we need to go through data's log and see why some things don't update. Although those pigments can technically currently not yet update. Here's some lib dispatch thing. But I need a coffee. Is this Apple Swift stuff? Yes. Why did we not commit this? Oh, is it not enabled by? No, I don't know. Actually, this doesn't cross-compile like this, right? This is installed. Um, so I must have overlooked this during update. Let's fix it for cross builds. Do we always set the arch prefix? I don't remember. I think to cross compile we need something like unfortunately because we need this. Oh wait, is the arch prefix? Maybe we did this clever and the arch prefix already includes the. It already includes this. Okay, good. Arch prefix, cling and arch prefix. I always say coffee and then I continue, right? Clear signs of an workaholic. The reason, because like polishing, a little bit extra polishing takes very little of my time. Like that's why I do this. Why I touch it right. That at least we get a little bit added benefit of. A little bit added benefit of that time. Let me get a coffee. Unfortunately, I cannot run the music because it will copyright match my own thing on YouTube. So maybe I should set up dual audio tracks. Yeah, back with a coffee in a moment. Back in a moment. So, just like this, what are we up to? We are up to new coffee. Are we at 150? Are you the 20 minutes ago? Hello? Microphone. Things. So, where were we? Coffee hot. So, more updates. It literally was on the screen, right? Coffee break things. Someone asked RSX here on. SVN Git alternative. Exactly. SVN Git alternative. Things. Just woke up. What do I mean? Just woke up. It's already second coffee. We're already live streaming here for 2 hours. I did already my C-level things in the morning, you guys. A little bit open source whining. Also that Patriot themes of modern web links of tracking shit. People always funny. People always want to have right. Just gimme for free. How dare you didn't RSX accelerate more in your free time? Cheers. Also hot. Then more things. I hope this loads like this, right? More updates. Lib edit. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this version numbers. libdbb. I mean, theoretically, we need to. I mean, either we first, or there is literally no other Linux distribution left, like maybe a bit longer. This was some GTK-SU stuff from decades ago. GKSU. Oh, we have some sub goal 150 of 150. That's amazing. Thank you so much. 1 minute ago was Prime. Daniel appreciates this. Daniel 42. As promised, your sub. That is amazing. Thank you so much. 150. That might be kind of all-time Twitch subscriber record potentially. Let's post it to YouTube for all the YouTube fans to see that too. Yeah, thank you so much. It means a lot, especially with everyone just asking for more. Should we just delete this here? Probably nobody's using this anymore, right? GNOME GKSU GNOME Python extra things. The question is, does it build? Oh, that's a lot of old crap. Maybe delete today or another day. It's probably GTK whatever, right? 2. Oh, I think GKSU. probably here non-GNU. Totally popular old Debian things. I mean, hey, the website exists. I mean, a decade, 2 decades of 15 years of I guess such stuff we just delete. There's probably 0 value in this, is there? Wait, on which? Did I do this in the right system? Hope so. On Python extra. It's probably as outdated as the others. I have no problem keeping vintage stuff around, but there is a limit of complete vintage stuff. Last update potentially 2009. The thing is also, this is used for nothing and will likely not just work. Plus SU and sudo security things of 15 years accumulated. Here, look, like this, we are up to date in no time. Just delete rm-rf, I said it before, right? What kind of creamer? What? For the coffee? For this, just some normal milk. If that's your question. It's probably not downloading. It's probably not downloading. It's probably all not downloading. Oh, damn it. Color project. Oh, why did I? Desktop presence framework thing. Oh, holy shit. Do I want to see that? Yeah, a nice puzzle for the family entertainment. Ideally would be some mess. What can we faster than slowly do? Is there not some category of probably nothing else? There's probably no low-hanging. Maybe that's why we didn't get more patches, because there is not a single low-hanging fruit thing of. Oh, here, satsync. Somehow this doesn't match for apology. This also doesn't download. Yeah, that's what people don't see, right? They think all the updates come out of nowhere, of thin air and stuff. That you need to click through all the internet here of things. That's what people don't see. If you're not careful, I mean, I'm not reviewing this kind of enough. If you're not careful, then Moria.org here, straight from Moria. OG set. This is at least, yes, it's still Moria. New thing, Python software foundation licensing. Did you register that in? Don't forget register, right? Which theoretically you probably should use one file and generate the regex from it. There is something not, oh, Go. Was this always Go? This was not Go before. Now there's Go bindings, maybe. Rewrite in Go. Now in Go. Okay, optional. Client rewritten feature set has changed substantially. Patch welcome. Not my department. My department is looking good on Repology. My department is fake Linux distribution. Yep, that's an old one. I saw this months, if not years ago, but yes. Oops. No, I moved this. By the way, if I move something, does it move for everyone? Probably, huh? Yeah, this is HTML out on HTML tested on things. Manage printing still errors out on HTML view. You said manage what? Manage printers? You have a printer? Yeah, so there is a system config printer package. I'm not sure if it errors out. Actually, your HTML view made me think that I'm not sure if it really needs HTML view. So we have this package. So there are multiple things. So package manage system config printers. Config manage. System config. The question is, does it cross-compile, because that needs Python. And we only ship what cross-compiles. No, it has a cross, yeah, but it has. I doubt this will just install like this. I don't know if it only needs Python for installation or for running. Oh, it did something. Git installed Python shit, cups helpers, preferred drivers. The question is, does that shit run Fedora? Yeah, this is what I really hate, like big name people press your stuff through and then you have Fedora project stuff in here. The question is this Python? I have the suspicion it is. And then we cannot easily fix that for cross. I mean, we could, theoretically, we could start shipping cross-compiled Python. I mean, maybe we have to. Python, yeah. Yeah, that's Python by default. Yeah, you need just everything in Python for. So then that's yeah, we updated something, whatever, YOLO. Okay, that's old shit. There was also, I'm not sure if this version here is correct. There are two versions. Yeah, I think they match their VA API and media driver. That's a repository issue, I believe. Or whatever. Yeah, the problem is here is so much crap to deal with, right? The repository people are just, yeah, you do everything wrong. Like, they're the only true stuff, and in reality, there is so much craft here. This broke stuff. So here they say it's not valid enough for whatever reason. Benchy? Oh, that's something else. That's some old crap. That's probably Abundantware. That's probably replaced by iMobile stuff. I guess delete. The Gpod. Welcome, welcome. everyone. Actually, wait. iPod is not iMobile device, is it? But it's in any case super old shit. Gosh. What to do with this banana? Oh, damn, I clicked here already wrong. Ever click there, I hate it. 2 distribution ship that PC Linux OS, yay. Actually, I have an old one from my family that they gifted me. 5th generation, nearly unused. Stuff I collect for fun. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's make them poor. Let's waste their money. You'd search for chat, you get ChatGPT. Okay, go fuck away with your bloody memory. The G-Pod tools. Of course T2 is tool system development environment. Why would it not be? Just because we make a super polished desktop doesn't mean you can't do like the best embedded companies use T2. Yeah? The ones to waste their time and money use open embedded. Rockbox. GTK pod, is it what I wanted to delete? Is GTK2 or what? Is there any chance to build? Gpodder. The Gpod is what I wanted to delete, was it? Oh no, it was libiPod device, not libgpod. But also something did here. Is that here, huh? Lip glade. At least some small improvements here. At the end of the day, I need to spend my time on such things, because otherwise this bit rots too much and then people look at stuff and think it's abundant shitware. Only used one here. I think it didn't build for some reason though. What does it not have here? XML things, ATK things of GTK2. Which version is that? That. Wait, we have plus, we have, oh, this, I think plus. Okay, whatever. Patch welcome. Yeah, not yet building, not building for me for whatever reason. Yeah, this here, oof. Maybe that was renamed. Is this a continuation of that stuff? Is that still in, that's for sale, cool. Yeah, the open source world, everything is a bit rotten and abandoned. Guess that's audio, huh? Maybe a little video, maybe multimedia, but yeah. Yeah, the way, the path to complete up-to-dateness very specific limits pretty too. Perhaps a very specification. That's why we changed to AAA polished desktop Linux. We already started to revamp branding because nobody's interested in good embedded Linux.
I knew. Listen.
Of course. Did you cook? What did you cook?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti? I thought you made potato. Okay, you all. It's lunchtime. They say hi, little boy. Hi, little boy. What are you eating there? You eat dessert before the lunch? I think that's not appropriate. First,
I'm a big, not little.
You're a big boy.
But I'm 6.
You're 6, yes. You grew so fast. They make hearts, huh? Maybe they like you. Okay, you all, lunchtime, and then I guess we continue a bit more. So don't delay. Stay here. Enjoy the quiet ASMR. Be back in no time.
I've did a
Maybe we stop it here.
I did a very bad experiment. Then then you're a first die.
I thought I leave this stream running and join, but I think it's more efficient to rate you somewhere. Otherwise, we have so much archive quietness. So don't delay. Join later today.
After breakfast, or how to say it, because
Lunch.
I forgot it.
Lunch.
At lunch.
So first thing, keyboard. You want to rate this guy, gentlemen?
Yeah.
So let's write this one. So.